guys, it's Prachi and I am super excited today because I have just come across an amazing product and I'm really excited to talk about this, okay? Because honestly, I keep getting requests for weight loss videos and stuff like that, and it was only yesterday. Just imagine, okay, my husband knows how as a beauty blogger I'm constantly looking for new things. It was only yesterday that he actually told me about Isabgol, okay? He had used this like around 2.5 years back and he had lost 3 kgs in 1 week. And it was only, in fact, he didn't even tell me about it, guys. He went grocery shopping, he picked this thing up, and he put it in the cart, and I was like, what is that? I thought it was some kitchen masala, spice, some supply, and he's like, no Prachi, that's Isabgol. Before that, guys, very important, before you take Isabgol, okay, this is a very safe product, very safe, but still please speak to your doctor, okay? This is because it depends a lot on your medical condition, and there's a good chance that if you tell your doctor that you want to have Isabgol, he'll be totally thrilled, but just in case, So first I want to tell you that Isabgol is basically psyllium husk. I actually had to Google the pronunciation of the word psyllium before making this video. But yes, Isabgol is basically psyllium husk, which is essentially fiber. Now a lot of you might be already aware that fiber is a very important thing that we consume in our food. Over time, people have realized that taking Isabgol can also reduce your urge for food. So all you have to do is to take around 1.5 teaspoons of Isabgol, mix it in around 200 ml of water and consume it immediately, okay? This much Isabgol can expand into this much. So, and it also gets very heavy, so very difficult to consume, okay? So just mix Isabgol in water, consume it immediately, wait for 5 or 10 minutes and you will feel, you will feel really full. Now Isabgol is basically available in various brands, and there's also this orange flavor which unfortunately we could not find yesterday. It turns out, that it also tastes really good. So yeah, just sort of mentioning that to you. It's not very expensive. This particular one from Dabur, it cost me 100 rupees for 100 grams. So definitely much cheaper than your regular, weight loss supplements and things like that, which are also not good for your health. Now, depending on what a doctor has said, usually Isabgol is recommended for once a day, and you can have it like daily for about 20-25 days and then stop, okay? So have it like for 20-25 days and then stop for around, I think, 10-12 days, and then you can start having it again. But again, like I said, it depends a lot on your body, on your nutrient needs, on your dietary requirements and stuff like that. So do this, okay? This helped Gaurav immensely. He lost 3 kgs in 1 week when he started having Isabgol 2.5 years back, and it's huge, okay? It's huge for someone like him because he keeps saying, Prachi, I gain weight even if I drink water, I gain weight even if I breathe in air. I have seen how he struggles with his weight issues. He's going to gym and he's taking care of himself. So yeah, I mean, with that kind of metabolism, you need help, sometimes you just need help. So yeah, just with that, I'm going to end this video now. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and also, by the way, if you're subscribed to my channel and if you're not getting any notifications, just scroll down and hit the bell button and to get notifications. And also, guys, you can follow me on my social media. I have a lot of social media links which have been shared in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.